There's a lot of people out there struggling, and I believe if we all help each other, we can get through this difficult times that we're going through, especially with the whole COVID and people losing their jobs. What's up guys, welcome to another video. This one's a little bit different. I've had a few comments and people asking, since I got retrenched, how's things been going, and I thought I'd make a little video. I also did say that I did have a few online things that I've been doing and making some money here and there online, and for the guys sitting in a similar situation to me, maybe this video will help you and make a few extra bucks on the side, or turn something like this into something bigger. So yeah, let me take you onto the laptop and show you a few of the online stuff that I like to play with. There's a whole lot. I'm not going to go through all of them, show you 3 or 4 of them, and maybe you guys can go check it out, and then you can ask some questions below. I'll help you where I can. Keep in mind that I'm also fairly new to these apps that I'm going to show you, especially the ones today, but there's a lot of potential to make money, and as long as you put a bit of time into it. But yeah, let's get to it and show you how to make some extra money online. Let's go. So on this video I'm going to show you guys 1 or 2 online money making options to keep you busy at home and make you a couple extra bucks. First off, we're gonna go to Fiverr. A lot of people will probably know this app. Now Fiverr is a place where you can come to look for something you need, or you can even be a creator. So for instance, if you want to be a creator and you can design logos, or you've got a unique voice and you want to do a voiceover, video explainers, social media organizers and planners, translators, there's just so much variety of things you could do that you are talented at, and you could throw your options out there, and if people use you, you make money. There's just so much, and once you've got your own profile and you've created what you are good at, and you post some short clips, videos, let's show you an example. If I go into let's go for like logo design. You go into logo design and you're going to start searching. You're going to see the rating 4.9, 4.8. So it's showing you that they know what they're doing. Prices you will see below. I will design modern and trendy logos in 24 hours, starting at 86 Rand. So it can be a basic one, and you're going to pay him 86 Rand for a small little logo. Or for instance, if you go into his profile, he might have options. The basic is 86 Rand. The standard goes up to 511 Rand, but you get 3 high definition logos, 7 revisions, plus a vector source file, no mascot design, 2-day delivery. Yeah, so you know what I mean. So this is what you could offer if you are also good at doing logos and voiceovers and whatever the case is. So very awesome site. I highly recommend just putting whatever you're good at on you, and you never know, you might turn it into a whole career, or you might just be making some extra bucks for your pocket. Another one I like to use, I'm fairly new with it, but I used to have another account on another similar web page, and it's called Shutterstock. One mentioned the other one. The other one, I sold 1 or 2 and made me money. I've heard that this one is better. So okay, so we're gonna get on here. I've obviously not made any money because this is a new profile that I've started, but for instance, you can go and take pictures of anything as long as it's high definition picture and it's something unique. So for instance, this is just a picture I took of clouds, which came out very nicely, and you put it on, and the Shutterstock will put their little Shutterstock symbol on it so that no one can copyright it, and it's yours. If someone wants to use it for an advert or for something, they will pay money for it. I did a few sunsets and all that. So I will keep adding to my profile and putting photos on, and somewhere someone's going to want to buy a photo. For instance, if you go into the Shutterstock account, you will see what the costs are on photos. So let's say we're going to sports, and you're going to go into these pictures, and for instance you want to use this image of this guy. It's going to tell you how big it is, standard license, and you can then buy it. Obviously you have to get logged in, create an account, and you could pay a certain fee for the pictures. Let's press download it. I think it will tell me. Yeah, so as you see here, it will go. So you would pay $2.90 and you get 10 images, or per image, or you would pay $29 a month and you get 10 images per month, and then $350, $461. So people will do that, and then they'll go through your image and see your image and want to use it, and they're going to choose your image, and then you're going to get a commission off that. So if your images are good and you collect a whole lot of commission, you get paid into your PayPal account, and bam, you've made some money. So definitely another awesome web page to use. The other one is Teespring. Now Teespring, I'm going to go straight into design. Now Teespring is a big shopping, clothing, a whole lot of accessories type of a website, but the benefit is you can come and throw some of your original designs onto their website and create yourself a little page that when people are looking for shirts, they see something that you've done, it will take you into your own little profile, and then you can sell and put it on at the prices they ask for, and everything like that. So for instance, you don't have to have any clothing, you don't have to have anything on stock. You're going to put a design on a shirt like any of these, or a hoodie, or a socks. As long as it's an original design, you won't get copyrighted and you won't get warned. So keep it original. If you're going to use sayings that people have used, you can use the sayings, you just change the fonts, change the pictures that go with it, make it your own. Don't try and just see someone's picture and try and use theirs. It's it's not going to work. You can do anything. So let's go straight into, I'll go apparel. I'll choose a unisex shirt. Let's go with the premium tees. Even this side, I do designing and branding on apparel, and I always go with the higher end shirts. It's just better to pay that little bit extra and have a shirt that lasts you. So let's go to that. You would say sell, and it's going to bring you an awesome little setup like this. Now you can choose colors, so you can pick red, blue, white, black. You don't have to go too elaborate because sometimes you can't find other colors, and then you offer something and you don't have it. So you'll have these colors, for instance. Then you're going to go into add image. Now you're going to go to one of your designs. So I will go to my design, which is Catch, Kiss, Release, my fishing brand. And let's say I want to put one across the chest. You're going to put it like that, check it out. You can go bigger, smaller, let's say we leave it like that, preview. Okay, so like I like that, so I can just put that in. Then you're gonna say, okay, you're gonna come to this side and you will see that there's the prices. So what I would say is go on to the buy section and go look at what everyone else is putting their shirts on, and either try and be a little bit cheaper where you're still going to make a profit. You will see here with that price on the tag, you're going to make $9.66 in profits. So if you sell a t-shirt, you're going to get that out of that price that you've put it on. Obviously the rest will go to the place who does the shirts, who does everything, but you don't have to do anything. You're just putting your design out. So I really like this one. I've started with this one, starting to put my designs in it. So I have spoken to some guys overseas and a few others on the forum groups, and they've all showed me that, you know, they're making money like this as long as you have sharp ideas and in the moment type of designs. People buy it. They will buy that design, they'll order through Teespring, and Teespring will make them and send it to this person. You're never going to handle anything. You're just putting your design out there, and voila, bam bam, you make some money. So this is one of my favorites, little web pages to go onto online and make some extra bucks. I mean, once you've got tons of apparel put onto your little profile page, you just leave it there and go and carry on with your day. You carry on and you just let that go. You can also advertise, obviously, by sharing and on all over social media. It will promote your product. Only thing is with Teespring, it is an overseas web page, so it won't work here in South Africa. To buy, it won't work in South Africa, but you can still put your designs out there. You can still put your whole profile, and people from America, I think it's quite a few countries that side of the world, but here in the southern, in Africa, it looks like Teespring is still not there. I'm hoping there's plans for them to expand, but I think it will make you some money. If you've got some good ideas, some good designs, then give it a try. And finally, which I am using right now speaking to you guys, is YouTube. If you're putting good content out and you're posting videos regularly, you start getting views. People start following you. I've got a fishing channel, and it's not a big channel. I'm a small fish in the sea, but the views that I'm getting is paying some money into the account, and every 2-3 months I can cash out a couple of grand and have extra money. So that's awesome. And then the benefits with being on YouTube, the more followers you get, the more you'll have sponsors knocking at your door, giving you baits, giving you whatever your channel is in, and you can get paid promotions, and people can advertise their shop or their anything product on your channel, and they pay you a fee, or you get free goodies. So there's a good benefit, and it's a fun benefit to have a YouTube channel and posting some videos. So definitely one of my favorites, and I'm slowly building on this and trying to get bigger. So that's why with my channel I thought I would try and share other ways to make money, so that youngsters out there, and even older guys like me that have gone through job losses and started their own business, to make that extra money on the side. So yeah, that is the some of my top ones that I enjoy using. Keep an eye for other videos I will release of other ones that I use, and but hopefully these ones will help you in the meantime. So yeah, that's those are the few apps that I'm using, web pages that I'm playing around with, and it seems to make some extra money. I think if I have to put more time into it, it will probably definitely make money. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, or maybe you guys know a little bit better on those and you can throw me some hints and say, hey, try this, try that. Let's communicate and let's share because there's a lot of people out there struggling, and I believe if we all help each other, we can get through this difficult times that we're going through, especially with the whole COVID and people losing their jobs. So comment below or email me if you guys have other cool online things that someone can get into, do a little few things and not, you know, fuss too much on it and carry on with their work and still make some sideline money. Then let's share some links down below. I'll make another video of maybe going through some of the apps and actually using one or two of them and showing you how I go through them, and I hope it helps. Cool. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. So yeah, as you guys all know, this is a fishing channel, and I just thought I'd bring on how to make some extra bucks, as some of you have asked, and a lot of you have followed me and seen me go through my retrenchment to running my own branding business, and I'm keeping head above water. So let's help each other. Have a good one. Peace. Love you all. See you on the next video.